Welcome to Pantanetti's exclusive world, a world made of shapes, colors and shades. Your new top case for cleaning your Pantanetti's shoes will allow you to take care of them in the perfect way. Cleaning your shoes is not just a routine, but it is a gesture of love that preserves their beauty. Inside the top case you will find 2 sponges, 2 soft fabric clothes, 1 brush and soft hair, the invigorating cream, the polishing balm of a color of your choice, a comfortable shoe horn. If you don't know what is the color of the balm perfect for your shoes, please contact Pantanetti and tell us the unique code that is inside, or send an image of the shoe and you will receive all the necessary information. To start the cleaning, remove the strings and protect any accessories such as buckles or metal clamps. The lace loops do not require protection. For further support during the cleaning of your shoes, try the new folding shape available on Pantanetti store, an indispensable tool that will help you maintain the original shape of your shoe. Remove surface dirt with the soft cloth, and if it is persist, you can use the brush with soft bristles to remove any dust residue. Do not use water or alcoholic or corrosive cleaning solution that could damage the leather of your shoes. Now take a sponge and spread the necessary amount of invigorating cream. The invigorating cream strengthens and tones the leather surface of your shoe. Leave it on for about 30 minutes so that the leather completely absorbs it. Then gently brush the surface of the skin with the soft horsehair brush to even out the dried invigorating cream. Now move on the polishing balm that will give the final touch of absolute brilliance. Spread the polishing balm in moderate quantities with the second sponge and let it dry for about 15 minutes so that the leather completely absorbs the polishing balm. Finish the beauty spa of your Pantanetti shoes by passing the clean soft cloths over the entire surface for a last polishing touch. Don't give up your style just because it rains. Protect your shoes with our water-repellent spray that slows down the absorption of water droplets. Just spray a small amount at minimum distance of 30 cm before leaving home. Don't forget that you shouldn't leave your shoes exposed to sunlight for too long. Always store them in dry and sheltered places. And if they get wet, let them dry naturally in the air so as not to ruin the materials and their unique features. A pair of well-groomed shoes say a lot about the personality of the person who wears them, and with a few precautions, you can always show yourself at your best.